Hi, I'm Vance, and welcome to Repair and Replace. If your oven isn't baking properly because the temperature isn't right, then the oven can be digitally calibrated. This can make up for small differences between the set temperature and the actual temperature inside the oven. In this episode, we'll learn how to get a baseline temperature reading, how to calibrate the oven, and what to do if the temperature still isn't right. Before making any adjustments, it's best to get a baseline. Place an oven thermometer on the middle rack and set the oven to bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. The oven will preheat for 5 minutes, but it might actually take up to 10 minutes to reach 350 degrees. There will be some fluctuations above and below 350 as the heating elements turn on and off to maintain the temperature. To get a baseline, note the temperature after 10, 15, and 20 minutes. The more readings you take, the more accurate it will be. If you take 3 readings, then add them together and divide by 3 to get the average. If the average is 370 degrees for a baking temperature of 350, then we'll want to calibrate and lower the oven temperature by 20 degrees. On most Frigidaire and Whirlpool models, you'll need to press and hold bake for 5 seconds to enter the calibration mode. Now use the arrow keys to increase or decrease the temperature. In our case, we'll enter -20 to lower the oven temperature by 20 degrees. Then press bake. In some models, you'll have to hold down both bake and broil until the display shows SF. Then press bake. Now you can enter how much to offset the temperature. Overall, these are the most common ways to calibrate, but it's still best to check your oven manual for the exact steps. Most ovens will only allow an offset of plus or minus 30 degrees Fahrenheit. If your oven temperature is significantly off, then it's likely that the temperature sensor is faulty. You can see how to test and replace the sensor in the video linked below. Alternatively, if food is cooking unevenly, then it's likely that one of the heating elements is faulty. You can see how to troubleshoot this in the video linked below. For more troubleshooting videos on water heaters, furnaces, and appliances, then subscribe to our channel. And if you need help, you can call or visit our AMRE location to talk with our knowledgeable staff. Thanks for watching.